every step of the way. And
Wow, may lifting.
yes, will always love you.
Hindi na ba kami na-inform?
Will always love you. Bittersweet, a memory.
Gusto ko yun, gusto ko yun, babe.
That is all I'm taking with me. So goodbye.
Please, ay, stop na! Stop na!
Oh,
Dito tayo, dito tayo. Hi, kuya. Welcome to Traffic Diva. Hop, hop, hop. Kakanta ka, kuya. Hindi pwedeng hindi. Ito. 1, 2, 3. Ano ba yan?
Para silang binabaril eh.
Ano, nahihiya? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. O, ayaw mo, lilipat ako. Dito tayo.
Ako, sayang.
Ay, may album ko siya. Halika dito.
Lipat ka.
3. We'll always love you. We'll always love you. Okay, Nay, ano pong title ang kinanta nyo?
will always love you.
Ano po? I will.
I will always love you.
I will always love you, Nay! At dahil dyan, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,000 pesos! At syempre, Ascoc and Wanda. Naku, Mami, palawak. Teka, sa'yo to, Mami. Maraming salamat. Kung yan na siya album ko. Thank you! Hoy, speaking of album, may bago pong album, Yuan. Nagbili ko.
Ah, talaga ba?
Yes! Mamaya, meron tayo sa dressing room.
Oh, sige.
Okay. Song number 3 tayo, guys.
Basta may autograph, ah.
My autograph, yes, with a picture.
Okay, come on!
Come on! It's time to dance some more under the heat of the sun. Let's go! Your technique at least me weak. My heart knows it's the beat I see as I found it. Yeah, you know, found it. I never worried that your love is fake. I'm free and easy and I'm feeling changed. 'Cause I found it. You know we found it. 'Cause I never felt this way before. A dog always begging for more. Let's go, yup yan. Come on. Found the answer and it's plain to see. I'm for you when you walk on me. 'Cause I found it. Together we found it. I feel a quiver every time we kiss. The sky's the limit with a love like this. 'Cause I found it. Stop now. Stop now. Puno. Hello, Mommy, welcome. Okay, kantahan tayo. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Just got lucky. O, dali o. Mami, isa pa. 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo! Yeah! Titas of Manila, welcome! Okay, ikaw may alam mo?
Just got lucky.
O, dito. Kayo, alam niyo ba? Ayaw. Sayang, ito na. O, title, Mami, nung kanta.
Kanta.
Nung title.
Kaya pa ba?
Kaya pa, o. O, nanay, anong title?
Just get lucky.
Oh, pwede na
Just
yun.
get lucky, ikaw tayo.
Just got lucky.
Nanay!
Kagat labi daw.
Oh, just got lucky ka. Okay, ito na. 1, 2, 3. 3,000 pesos and 2,000 pesos plus. Ascoc and Wanda. ba kung saan nagbibigay tayo ng saya at premyo dahil dito sa biyahe ng buhay. Ang traffic po ay hindi maiwasan. Kaya hatid namin ay kasiyahan na sinamahan pa ng kantahan para happy po kayong makakarating sa pararoonan. Ito po yung Traffic Diva. Hazel Santos, back to you guys.
Thank you, Hazel, and congratulations at maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga Dabber Cats.
Bukas, sino naman kaya ang maswerteng mabibigyan ng papremyo dito sa Traffic Diva!
Susunod na ang Just Do It sa pagbabalik ng Eat Bulaga!
Cause I found it just got lucky. Just got lucky. Cause I never felt this way before. The book is waiting for more.
Here we go! Magbayanihan tayo.
Just Do It! Hatid sa inyo ng Payless Extra Big Pancit Canton, doble dami sa isang pack. Doble dami, doble sarap, 14 pesos lang. At ng Tuseran, basta ubo at sipon, isang solusyon, 2-in-1, Tuseran.
At kasama natin ang mga Dabarkats nating mga judgmental. Nandito si Acel,
All girls ang mga judgmental today, ha?
Patricia, at ang pinaka-girl sa kanilang lahat,
Oo.
Ruby.
Hi, judges!
Hello, judges.
Relax lang kayo dyan at magsisimula na kami. Tawagin na natin si contestant number 1 mula sa Mahayhay, Laguna. Munti ka ko na sabihin ma-JJ. Mahayhay, Laguna, 24 years old. Siya ay isang cruise ship
Oy.
singer. Tawagin na natin si Christine Terrell.
Uy, kumakanta-kanta sa indayog ng alon.
Correct.
Hey,
Hi,
Chriselle.
Christine.
Hello po.
Christine ba?
Ah,
Oh,
Christine.
Christine po.
Ikaw ba nag-aala, Titanic, kumakanta ka sa
Bawal po kasi sa ship kantahin yung Titanic.
Totoo ba?
Opo.
Hindi, hindi, seryoso yan. Seryosong...
Sa ship po na sinampahan ko, medyo bawal siya. Kasi Chinese people, so marami pong superstitious.
Oh, anong
Superstitious.
biyahe ba yung barko mo?
Ano po?
Anong biyahe?
Ano po, dalawang ship po. Bale, yung first ship na sinampahan ko is Malaysia. And then, tinransfer po ako sa Singapore, Indonesia.
That's very interesting, ha? Pinagbabawal yung My Heart Will Go On.
Opo,
Dahil
weird.
pelikulang Titanic. Well, tignan natin, baka dito makanta mo, My Heart Will Go On. Good luck,
Sana.
Christine. Tignan natin kung sino ang makakaduet mo for today.
Okay. Christine, former vocalist ng freestyle ang iyong kaduet, si Jinky Vidal. At ang inyong kakantahin, Tonight, I Give In.
To the feelings. Good luck, Christine. And remember,
Just do it!
Somebody walked into my life and was right on time. Somebody looked into my eyes and he read my mind. And it's true. I only need to tell you that it's you. You're everything I'd ever dream would come to be. Somebody walked into my heart, and to my surprise,